Today, we'll talk about 20 survival plants that you can totally keep on the down low from your nosy neighbors. Imagine, you're in the thick of it, resources are scarce, but you've got your secret garden thriving, ready to provide you with vital sustenance. From the high-omega superhero, purslane, to the unassuming yet mighty dandelion, each of these plants brings something unique to the table, or should I say, to the survival pantry. First up, we've got the humble potato. These bad boys are packed with carbs, which means energy, the fuel you need to survive. Plus, they grow underground, hidden from prying eyes. Look for varieties that are known for their hardiness and yield. And don't forget about sweet potatoes. These orange wonders are like the dessert of the survival world, packed with vitamins and sweetness. Plant them strategically among your other vegetables, and you've got yourself a stealthy source of sustenance. Next up, we've got asparagus. This vibrant green veggie is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, making it a nutritional powerhouse. It's a perennial, meaning it comes back year after year. You can strategically plant them among your flowers or even along fences, disguising them as part of your landscaping. Just give it some sun, well-drained soil, and a bit of love, and you'll be rewarded with a bounty of delicious and nutritious spears. Let's talk about a plant often mistaken for a weed, but is actually a survival superstar: wild lettuce, used for centuries to relieve pain, promote sleep, and treat digestive issues. Found in fields, meadows, even cracks in the sidewalk, thrives in harsh conditions, ideal for survival. Once identified, harvest leaves for salads, soups, or tea. Moving on to a plant that's as tough as it is tasty: rhubarb. This hardy perennial can handle some seriously cold temperatures, making it a great choice for colder climates. Plant it among your other perennials. Its size and shape can blend in surprisingly well with hostas, ferns, and other leafy plants. Your neighbors will think you're just cultivating a lush garden, while you'll be secretly stockpiling a versatile and delicious survival food. Remember, when harvesting rhubarb, always go for the stalks and never eat the leaves. Now let's talk about a plant that's not only edible but also a lifesaver for respiratory health: mullein. This fuzzy-leaved wonder grows wild in meadows and along roadsides. It's recognizable by its tall stalk topped with yellow flowers. Mullein has treated coughs and colds for centuries. Plant it amongst coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, or sunflowers, and it'll look right at home. Let's journey back in time to meet a plant that's been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties: elder. Elderberry syrup is legendary for its ability to boost the immune system, fight off colds and flu, and even shorten their duration. You can easily shape elder into a hedge, a small tree, or even train it to grow along a fence. This way, you can enjoy its beauty and bounty while still maintaining a low profile. Now it's time to unearth a hidden gem: the earth chestnut, also known as chufa sedge or tiger nut. These little tubers pack a nutritional punch. They are a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals. You can eat them raw, roasted, or ground into flour. They even make a delicious milk alternative. Let's dive into the refreshing world of peppermint, a versatile and invigorating plant. Peppermint is easy to grow, spreads quickly, and its leaves can flavor food, repel pests, and soothe an upset stomach. Its trailing habit and ability to grow in shady areas make it perfect for ground cover. Let's talk about a food source that requires caution but can be a game changer in survival: wild mushrooms. Found in forests, meadows, and backyards, they provide protein, vitamins, and minerals. Proper identification is crucial. Some are highly toxic and deadly. Learn from experts, use field guides, and never eat a mushroom unless certain of its ID. Now, let's talk about a quartet of culinary herbs that are as flavorful as they are medicinal: rosemary, oregano, thyme, and sage. These aromatic powerhouses are not only essential ingredients in countless dishes, but also boast a wide range of health benefits. Their compact size and ability to thrive in pots make them ideal for camouflaging among your other plants. Plant them strategically, and you'll have a stealthy source of flavor and medicine. Let's shed some light on a plant that's often dismissed as a pesky weed, but is actually a nutritional powerhouse: the dandelion. This cheerful yellow flower is a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Their rosette of leaves blends in seamlessly with grass, and their cheerful yellow flowers can easily be mistaken for other blooms in your garden. Dandelions are masters of disguise and a valuable food source. Now let's dig into the world of the Jerusalem artichoke, a plant that's as delicious as it is easy to grow. This unassuming plant, also known as the sunchoke, produces knobby tubers that resemble ginger root. Their tall stalks and sunflower-like leaves blend in seamlessly with other tall plants in your garden. Their tubers remain hidden underground, safe from prying eyes. You can eat them raw, roasted, or mashed. Let's spice things up with ginger, a plant that's as renowned for its culinary uses as it is for its medicinal properties. This pungent rhizome is a staple ingredient in countless cuisines and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its leafy stalks resemble ornamental grasses, making it easy to camouflage among your other plants. Brew yourself a cup of ginger tea and enjoy its soothing properties. Let's zoom in on lentils, a tiny but mighty legume that packs a nutritional punch. These small, lens-shaped seeds are a staple food in many cultures and are an excellent source of protein, fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients. Intercropping is the trick. Plant them among your other vegetables, using their climbing habit to your advantage. They'll blend in seamlessly while providing a nutritious and satisfying meal. Now, let's talk about a strategy that's essential for any survival gardener: succession planting. This technique involves planting different crops throughout the year, ensuring a continuous harvest of fresh food, regardless of the season. The key to successful succession planting is understanding your local climate and choosing crops that thrive in each season. In colder climates, this might mean starting seeds indoors and transplanting them outside once the weather warms up. Let's shine a light on purslane, a plant that's often mistaken for a weed, but is actually a nutritional powerhouse. This succulent is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Its low-growing habit and ability to thrive in poor soil allow it to blend in seamlessly with other ground covers. Plant it in your garden beds, and it'll help suppress weeds while providing you with a secret stash of omega-3s. Let's wade into the world of cattails, a plant that's as versatile as it is abundant. These tall, reedy plants are a veritable supermarket of the wild, offering a variety of edible parts. They can be easily grown in containers or even in a small backyard pond. Every part of this plant, from its roots to its pollen, is edible. Let's venture into the desert and meet the prickly pear cactus, a plant that's as resilient as it is resourceful. This iconic cactus thrives in arid environments and has been a source of food and water for desert dwellers for centuries. Its spiky exterior serves as a natural deterrent to curious critters. Its low water needs make it a low-maintenance addition to your landscape. Carefully harvest a pad, remove the spines, and enjoy its juicy, refreshing flesh. Let's indulge in the sweetness of wild strawberries, a tiny but flavorful fruit that's a true gift from nature. These miniature berries are bursting with flavor and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Their low-growing habit and tendency to spread by runners allow them to blend in seamlessly with other ground covers. Plant them in your garden beds, and they'll form a dense, weed-suppressing mat, concealing their sweet bounty from prying eyes. Finally, let's talk about corn, a staple crop that's been feeding civilizations for centuries. This tall, sturdy grass is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of sustenance and abundance. Plant it strategically along fences or as a backdrop for your other crops, creating a living wall that provides privacy and conceals your other, more discreet plants. Your corn stalks stand tall, their ears heavy with plump golden kernels, a promise of sustenance for the months to come. So there you have it, folks. These 20 survival plants are not only nutrient-rich, but also masters of disguise, perfect for keeping on the down low from your nosy neighbors. In a world where uncertainty reigns supreme, having a secret stash of these plants could mean the difference between struggling and thriving. These plants are your silent partners in survival, providing you with the sustenance you need to weather any storm. Happy planting and stay prepared!